again, with all of these, always start by figuring out the length and the height. This one is 7.5 by 4.5. I'm going to add these chamfered corners. I could use the chamfer tool or just measure and draw. Each chamfer has 2 dimensions. It should be a length and a length, or a length and an angle. This is 1 1/8 by 60. So I'm just going to offset this top line down, and then draw my line at 60 degrees. Well, it's 60 relative to this edge right here. So it's actually 150 on CAD. Your snaps or your polar, confirm that you're on 30 degrees. You'll know when you draw if your cursor snaps at 30, 60, 90, 150. So I'm making this line here, 60 degrees here. I need the same thing at the bottom. So I can just draw a line straight down and then draw this way. In this case, it's 30 over. Transfer this one to the other side. Draw down, 2.5, up, over, and then just delete these 4 lines. When you did it on the drawing board, you used your T-square to transfer one measurement to the opposite side. Well, you just use a construction line here to make that happen. I have this 1.5 by 1 inch cutout on each side. So I go to the middle here, go up 1/2, over 1.5, down 1, and over. And then delete that line that I drew as a construction line and trim this opening. I need it on the opposite side. I don't want to draw this over and over again. So if I just draw a vertical line down the center, this will be my line of symmetry that I can mirror over. So I highlight both of these. The mirror tool is right here. Or I type MI, enter. CAD says specify your mirror point if you pre-select. If you don't, choose the mirror tool, then select your objects, then press enter, then specify your mirror line. So I draw over, I pressed escape. I should not have done that. So I'll just do it again. Erase source object, no, unless if you wanted it gone. All right, now I have this 2 1/8 square. I'm just going to draw a 2 1/8 by 2 1/8 square off to the side. Draw a line through the middle. I'll use this as a base point later. Highlight it, and I'm going to rotate. That's RO, enter, or you select the rotate tool. Specify your center point. Type in your rotation angle, 45. And now I'm going to move this, M, enter, from the center to the center. There's 344. I want to get this in the center over here. Well, I do the same thing I did before. I'm going to group it and then move it from the middle to the middle. Well, I didn't draw a line this time, so I could use these wake up snaps and extend that over, then go to the middle over here, extend that over. Now find where they intersect. So that is 54.